Hey there, yo man. It's been a while since I did any type of video and stuff like that. I'm just gonna do a quick review on this camera studio bag that I bought off Amazon here for a really good price point. I think the prices has gone up on these slowly, but not by much. This bag, I don't really think they have any versions of it. They just kind of give how tall it is and stuff like that. This one is 41 inches tall, 13 deep and 12 wide, I think it is. So 41 by 13 by 12. There's the other version that's 38 by 15 by 13, and they also have the other one that's 41 by 11.8 and 11.8. So I kind of got the one that's a little bit wider just in case, and it actually worked out pretty good. So over here we have like the handle and stuff like that, so you pick it up from the handle here. I think it's pretty well built actually. Little card slot in here, of course, for your business card, and then here are your wheels. I mean, nothing special, but they seem to hold up pretty good otherwise. Yeah, so let's open her up here. Nice big zippers as well. They are pretty huge, and yeah, they're actually pretty solid. So open now, and here it is here. So got a nice little zipper pocket bags in the back here, which are handy for whatever you want to store in here. They get separated as well. I have these NPF batteries as well. They're for my LED lights, so they're the high capacity. These ones are 8700, and I have another set that's 11,600, and those last me quite some time. So here's just like I don't know, a padding cover. I just put it over top. Alright, so here it is here. I just kind of keep my lights in this bag. I have three of these flapjack lights. I've obviously, I just kind of converted them into one bag because they take up way too much room. So all I did was did this, have them here. Okay, take those off, obviously. And then I have my extra batteries and everything in there. But that's just to kind of conserve space and stuff like that. But anyways, let's get to the bag itself here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so here it is here. I keep my 10-foot light stands in here. They're about 38 inches tall, all the way down. So here they are here. These are just the Neewer Studio Professionals, I think it is. So these are the ones that go 10 feet high, and there's other ones that go 6 feet high. So I got the 10-foot ones, and they are very sturdy. Again, I got these ones off Amazon. They are 38 inches all the way down, so they fit in this bag pretty good. I have 4 tripods in here. Again, it's only about halfway down, so I mean I could probably fit 4 more. Again, I could probably fit 8 tripods in here until it hits to the top. So there they all are, all underneath here, and then my dry cast LED lights as well. Yeah, super good bag. If you're looking for kind of a larger camera bag for your tripods and studios with lots of room and flexibility, I would definitely recommend to get this one. Just go on Amazon and search up this brand here and just type in like photo studio case or photo studio rolling or something along like that, and you'll get a lot of results. But I didn't get the other one just because it was like 2 inches smaller. 2 inches smaller lengthwise and height-wise. So I got the larger one, and I'm quite happy with it. So, yeah. I would recommend purchasing one if you're looking for something that's cheap and very high strength as well. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.